Hey guys, so today's Saturday. I'm waiting for an experiment and I thought about filming this. So these are pipettes, or if you are in the US, they're called pipettes, but I'm in Australia, so pipettes it is. They all serve different purposes. So you can see here that they have different sizes, right? So they're all the same at the top, but they have different sizes here. And that's because each one of these guys, they pick up different volumes, so different amounts, so we can make all of our mixtures. So P for pipette, 1000, so that's 1000 microliters, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute. So 1000 microliters or 1 mil. Then we have a P200, so that's up to 200 microliters, P20, 20 microliters, P10, 10 microliters, and then we have a P2, which goes from 0.2 to 2 microliters. So all of these have different ranges. Each one of these guys come with their own pipette tips, okay? So they come in boxes such as this one. And each one of them, of these, then it's gonna fit a different pipette tip, right? So the P1000 will hold this one.
And as you can see, that's a bigger tip. Then we have the 200, which is this one. Oh, which is that one. Right, so that one will go there, and that also fits this guy here, which is the P20. And then you have the tiny one for P10s and P2s, which are these ones. Right?
So that's for this one, that for those two, and that's for those two. So we have 3 different sizes.
And they also come in different colors, so that one can be blue, and that one can be yellow as well. Anyway, so.
Let me show you what I mean by the different volumes. I got a die here just so again you can see properly. P1000, I'll show you the range. P1000, so it goes from 100 microliters to 1000 microliters. Okay, I'll show you. So that's my P1000. I'm gonna go all the way up on the dial.
To 1000.
So that's 1000, so that's 1 mil. I'll show you how that looks like.
I got my die here.
This is 1000. I'm gonna go all the way down to 100 microliters.
Which in this case is gonna look like a 10, but remember we don't have the other 0 down here, that's 100. And that's what 100 looks like, and
that's what it looks like. So that's the range that this pipette can do. Okay, so that's the P1000 for you.
Now, next one is my P200.
So the P200 goes from 20 microliters to 200 microliters. This is to cover, okay, that range right there. So there you go. And as you can sort of see, that's the double of that one.
Right. Now I'm going to dial all the way down again to 20. And obviously, as you can see,
You can do everything in between. So I'm gonna go to 20. And that's what 20 microliters look like. So now this is getting interesting, right? Because it's getting smaller and smaller.
now, next one up. So that's your P200. Next one up is the P20.
Can hold from 2 microliters to 20 microliters, because remember, we want the range. We don't want to miss anything within that range, okay? So P20, and I'm gonna go all the way to 20, and this one has 3 digits because that one is the dot. So this is 19.4, for instance, right? So the smaller this gets, the more accurate the measurement gets. So we go all the way to 20.
So 20, both of them should look exactly the same. So
That one and this one should look exactly the same. And as you can see, it is. Now I'm gonna put all the way to 2.
So this is 2 microliters. Now this is getting interesting.
10 times smaller than that guy there. Ta-da! That was your P20. Now we have our P10. So again, 3 digits because we want to get very, very, very accurate with this. So P10. So the range of a P10 is 1 microliter to 10 microliters. P10 should be half of that size and 5 times that size.
Okay.
And as you can see, it is half the size, right? Now, I'm gonna dial this down to the least that it can do, which is 1 microliter.
There you go, 1 microliter. And it should be half of that.
This is so tiny that I'm gonna get it out of the lid.
And it's gonna be really hard, but let's see if I can try.
There you go. It's a tiny spot. So that should be half size of that. That's your P10 right there, okay? Now, let's go for the tiniest one yet. So your P2 goes from 0.2 microliters all the way to 2 microliters. Now I'm gonna go all the way to 2. And like I said, we're getting very, very accurate here. So I can put 1.88. So 1.88 and then 2, 1.99, 1.992, because we do need to get very accurate with what we're measuring, okay? That's 2 microliters, and again, I'm gonna get it out of the lid.
Because it's easier. 2 microliters, so it should be double. There you go.
So that should be double of that and the same as that. And I'm gonna go wind this all the way down to 0.2.
And that is absolutely tiny.
So that's 0.2. Again, I'm gonna get it off the lid.
That's what it looks like.
And ta-da! That's 0.2. And trust me, that can make a whole heap of difference in our experiment. Doesn't look like much. That can change your life, that thing right there. And that's your P2. So there you have it. So that was the wonderful world of pipettes. Thank you guys for watching all the way to here. I really appreciate it. And if you like more contents like this, I'll definitely be bringing up some more. Yeah, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.